Good afternoon. My name is Jonathan from Easy Writing Tips, and today I'm going to talk to you about topic sentences. If you've ever had trouble organizing your research papers, or you find you just don't know which direction to go after a paragraph or two, one solution might be to focus on making better topic sentences. Better topic sentences have three functions in your research paper. I'm going to talk to you about what topic sentences do right here, and then I'm going to come back and show you some examples of some good, some bad, and some okay topic sentences. So, what is a topic sentence and why do you need one? Well, first of all, a topic sentence grabs reader attention at the beginning of your paper. When you have a good topic sentence, maybe you ask them a question or you state a fact that they didn't know beforehand, they get interested in reading what you have to say. And if you lack that in your paper might be boring or it just might be, just not unique. So whenever you're starting a paper, try to start it off with a very interesting topic sentence. Second thing a topic sentence does is similar to the first, it introduces your topic. You let the reader know what we're going to talk about today. And third, your topic sentence is going to set the tone for your paper. So is your paper going to be a highly technical paper? Is it going to have a lot of data? Is it something that's very scientific? If so, you want to make sure your topic sentence reflects that. Is your paper something lighthearted, or are you doing a book report, or are you just giving some history of a certain event or a time period? If so, you want to make sure that your topic sentence reflects that too. Now that we know what your topic sentence is supposed to do in your paper, let's go on and look at some examples of how to make good topic sentences. See you in the next video. Alright, we're back again talking about topic sentences. In the previous section, we introduced the three purposes of a topic sentence, which were to grab the reader's attention, to introduce the topic of your research paper, and to set the tone for your paper overall. Now we're going to look at some examples, and you tell me if you think these examples of topic sentences are good, bad, or just okay. Remember, we want a good topic sentence. Number one, we're going to be talking about the topic of exercise. You'll see that throughout here. So, number one, exercise is good. Imagine you started your research paper and you're talking about exercise or health or something like that, and you start a paper like, exercise is good. Is that a good topic sentence? Well, it does introduce the topic. We're going to be talking about exercise. It kind of sets the tone for the paper because, we think exercise is good, so I think that paper might be about the benefits of exercise and health and things like that. But does it grab the reader's attention? If you're reading a paper and you're the professor or the teacher, you've got 30 papers to read, and I open up this paper and the first sentence is exercise is good. Are you excited to read that paper? Is there something that you think you're going to learn in this paper different than all the other papers on exercise? Probably not. So this is an okay topic sentence. It meets our two of our three criteria. But let's see if we can improve on that topic sentence to actually make it a good and great topic sentence. Here's our second example. Did you know that exercise benefits the brain as much as it benefits the body? See how I asked a question there? Whenever I ask a reader a question at the beginning of my paper, they might say, yeah, I kind of heard of that, or they might say, no, I didn't know that, tell me more. That's what you want your reader or your professor to be saying whenever they read the beginning of your paper. You want them to say, oh, that's an interesting fact. Let me read these next couple paragraphs and see if I can learn something. So we're going to say that this is a good topic sentence. It grabs the reader's attention, it introduces the topic, and it set the tone. Because we're going to be talking about how exercise not only benefits the body, but how it benefits the mind and the brain as well. Okay, let's look at our third example. Exercising at least 3 times each week greatly increases a person's energy level throughout the day. Is this a good topic sentence? Well, I'd say it's a good topic sentence because it introduces a fact about how exercising a couple times a week will increase your energy level throughout the day. It introduces the topic because we know what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about the relationship between exercising a couple times a week and how good you feel throughout the day, or how much energy you have throughout the day. That's clear from this topic sentence, and it sets the tone because I'm going to be telling you about how you can have more energy throughout the day by exercising. So we see with these three examples that it's easy to make a good topic sentence. You just don't want to go for the easy sentence. Exercise is good, or starting out with some obvious fact. You don't want the teacher to, this is what my professor used to do when I would write a sentence like that. I would get my paper back and it would say, duh, at the beginning, or he would write, he'd write, so what? You don't want your professor to be writing this stuff on your paper. Unfortunately, that happened to me, and I don't want that to happen to you. So don't write topic sentences like this. Go the extra mile, go the extra step, and try to write a nice, good sentence that gives a fact, asks a question, and grabs the attention. So that's our video on examples of topic sentences. Hope to see you in the next video for more easy writing tips.